In this exercise, we will learn the Freeform tool. Basically, the Freeform tool is used to draw any shape or path freehand. It works something like the pencil tool. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the pen tool, we can see the Freeform Pen tool underneath the pen tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool, and let's click and drag the mouse. We can see we have created a path. It works like a pencil, and we can draw any path we want very easily. Okay, now we have some options above: shape and path, and shape tool. We can draw a path with the shape option, and we can fill, color, and add stroke. We will increase or decrease the stroke line also from here. We can choose stroke line design. Okay, next is width and height. We can combine these shapes, subtract, intersect, or exclude shape. Okay, next we can align shapes. Next, we have the option to bring the shape to the front or to the back. If we have two or more shapes, then it will work. Okay, next we have the magnetic option. Check this on and click one time and draw something like that. We can see it's just working like the magnetic lasso tool. Next is the Align Edges option. Check this on. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Curvature Pen tool.